Welcome to Richard Language. Today, I'm going to talk about how to make a self-introduction in Chinese. So let's get started right now. And step 1, opening for common occasions. 你好，你好。你 means you. 好 means good. 你好 in English means how are you or just hello. Okay, the second one. 大家好，大家好。大家 means everyone. 好 means good. 大家好 means hello everyone. Okay, right now let's talk about the opening for teachers or classmates. 老师，各位同学好。老师，各位同学好。老师 means teacher. 各位 is like every or each. 同学，同学 classmate. 好 means good. Actually, this sentence means hello, my teacher, and every classmate. And some of you may need opening in Chinese for public speeches or formal occasions. Then you can say something like this. 先生，女士，你们好。Once again. 先生，女士，你们好。先生 is like sir or gentleman. 女士 is like ladies. 你们 you, the plural form of you. 好 means good. So actually, this sentence means ladies and gentlemen. And this sentence is more formal. So you can use it in a public occasion. Okay, let's go to the step 2. Step 2 is to introduce your own name, country or city, or your occupation. So let's get started right now. The first sentence. 我的名字是。我的 means my. 名字 means name. 是 is like is. M is R in Chinese. And of course, you can follow with your own name. So for example, 我的名字是 Tom Smith. Okay, the second one, you can tell people where you are from. So it's like this. 我来自. And here, 我 means I. 来 means come. 自 is like from. And then you just follow with the place you come from. For example, 我来自美国。我来自美国。I am from the US. Or you can say like this. 我来自纽约。我来自纽约。I come from New York. And then you can introduce your occupation. For example, 我是医生。我 means I. 是 means M is R in Chinese. 医生 means doctor. So you can say 我是 and then follow with your own occupation. Okay, let's see how to make your own self-introduction. By step 3, we talk about family status. You introduce how many people there are in your family. So let's get started right now. 我家有5个人。我家有5个人。And of course, you can change the number here. It depends on how many family members you have. Okay, let me read some example sentences here for you. 我有一个爸爸，一个妈妈。我 means I, 有 means have, 一个 means one, 爸爸 father, 一个妈妈 a mother. I think, of course, actually in a formal self-introduction, you don't have to say this sentence because, of course, that's it, right? Okay, so I read the second sentence for you. 我有2个哥哥，3个姐姐。我有2个哥哥，3个姐姐。I have 2 elder brothers and 3 elder sisters. Okay, the last one. 我有2个儿子，2个女儿。我有2个儿子，2个女儿。I have 2 sons and 2 daughters. Okay, let's go to step 4, interests. Okay, of course, in your self-introduction, you should talk about your own interests. So let's get started right now. Okay, when it comes to speaking interest, the sentence pattern will be like 我的兴趣是。我的兴趣是。我的 means mine. 兴趣 means interests. 是 is M is R in Chinese. For example, 我的兴趣是弹钢琴。Which means my interest is playing the piano. Okay, let's see the second sentence. 我的兴趣是学习中文。Which means my interest is learning Chinese. Okay, the last sentence. 我的兴趣是唱歌和跳舞。我的兴趣是唱歌和跳舞。唱歌 means singing. 跳舞 means dancing. When you talk about 2 interests, and you can use 和 to combine the 2 interests. 和唱歌和跳舞. You can use the word 和 to combine the 2 interests in one sentence. 我的兴趣是唱歌和跳舞。Okay, let's go to step 5, favorites. 我最喜欢的是。Okay, 我最喜欢的 and then you talk about the catalog. Okay, maybe that's color, maybe that's fruit, maybe that's food. 是 and you talk about what exactly your favorites are. Okay, for example, 我最喜欢的颜色是绿色。Which means my favorite color is green. Okay, let's talk about the second sentence. 我最喜欢的菜是中国菜。 which means my favorite dishes or Chinese dishes. Let's talk about the next one. 我最喜欢的动物是狗。我最喜欢的动物是狗。My favorite animals are dogs. Okay, then we talk about the step 6, hobbies. Okay, so the sentence pattern would be like 我的嗜好是 and then follow with your hobby. Okay, 我的嗜好是嗜好 means hobby. 嗜好 Let me give you the example sentence. Okay, 我的嗜好是读小说。我的嗜好是读小说。读 means read. 小说 novel. My hobby is reading a novel. Okay, let's see the next sentence. 我的嗜好是打篮球。我的嗜好是打篮球。My hobby is playing basketball. Okay, let's see the next one. 我的嗜好是看电影和旅游。我的嗜好是看电影和旅游。Okay, let's talk about step 7, future plans. Okay, and the sentence pattern will be 我未来想。我未来想。我 means I. 未来 means future. 想 means want to. So actually it means I want to do something in the future. 我未来想。And then you can follow with one action you are going to do in the future. Maybe that's your future plans. Maybe that's your ambitions. So let me read the sentence. 我未来想当律师。当 is like to be or to become. 律师 lawyer. Okay, let's read the second sentence. 我未来想到中国工作。我未来想到中国工作。到中国 means go to China. 工作 means work. I want to work in China in the future. Let's read the last sentence. 我未来想学习法文。I want to learn French in the future. Okay, then let's get to the final step. Finally, ending. Okay, and if you want to end your self-introduction in a common occasion, then you can say something like that. 很高兴认识你，谢谢。很 means very. 高兴 means happy. 认识 is like to know. 你 means you. Actually, it just means nice to meet you or nice to see you. 谢谢 of course, thank you. But if you want to end your self-introduction in a formal occasion, you can say something like that. 以上是我的自我介绍，谢谢。以上是我的自我介绍，谢谢。This is a very formal way to end your self-introduction. 以上 means the above. 是 means am, is, are in Chinese. 我的 means my. 自我 is like self. 介绍 introduction. 自我介绍 self introduction. 谢谢 of course means thank you. Actually, you just need to pick one sentence from these steps, and then you can form a very complete and simple introduction, self-introduction in Chinese. So let me give you one example. Let's get started right now. 先生、女士，你们好。我的名字是 Richard Wu。我来自英国。我是一位老师。我家有6个人。我和我的太太。我有2个儿子，2个女儿。我的兴趣是学习日文。我最喜欢的菜是泰国菜。我的嗜好是旅游。我未来想当导游。以上是我的自我介绍，谢谢。Okay, right now it's your turn. And remember that you just follow my video and step by step, just pick one sentence from each step. You can have a very complete and simple and very good self-introduction in Chinese. And see you next time. 再见。